Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fraction and decimals. This is second 8th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? So first, total water is equal to 5 liter. So how much water did Vidya drink? So Vidya drink the water is equal to विद्या का पार्ट है हमें गिवन है 2/5 ऑफ टोटल वाटर इंटू 5 सो 5 से 5 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा सो 2 लीटर देन what fraction of the total quantity of the water did Pratap drink? So second, so part of Pratap is equal to टोटल हमारे पास 1 है एंड 2/5 ड्रिंक्ड बाई विद्या सो इट्स 5 minus 2/5 is equal to 3/5. So Pratap drink the water is equal to part of Pratap into total water. So 5 से 5 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा so 3 liters. So Vidya drink 2 liters and Pratap drink 3 liters of water. Thank you.